Good morning, guys. In a previous video I fixed this battery operated clock mechanism. All that was wrong with it was the metal contacts on the back had gone crystalline, where they must have got damp at some time, and I replaced the contacts with directly soldered wires. I then rigged it up to this little solar panel so that it would run when the sun shines on it. And that gave me an idea for a sunlight clock, one that measures the amount of time that the sun shines, because we don't seem to get a lot of it. Because obviously the clock's only going to run when the sun is shining on the panel, so it won't be any good for telling the time, but it will tell you how much sunlight you had, or at least how much sunlight that was strong enough to actually run it. So I've been and printed off one of my Grandadisanoldman clock logos, which are available on my Redbubble website, merchandise site. Not in yellow actually, but I printed this one off in yellow. I stick it on this bit of Corex that I used for one of my rubber band powered cars. That'll fit on there nicely. Just drill a hole in the middle for the mechanism to go through, and then I thought I'd use one of these little solar panels. These are the ones that are incredibly delicate and break when you sneeze on them. But I bought a pack of, I don't know, I think it was 50 or something for a very low price. So I'll solder a couple of wires on one of them and probably mount it on the top there somewhere, and then put a bracket on the back of this so it can stand in the sunlight. I don't think you really need to see me soldering bits of wire on the back of there. Although I'm sure you'd like to see me break them, because they do break very easily. Yeah, so glue it on there, solar panel on the top, stand on the back, and leave it in the sunlight, which isn't there. There was a bit of sun just now, but it's all clouding over. Well, I ended up using two of those panels because one didn't seem to give us quite enough, whereas two seems to be going very nicely, and the sun is shining at the moment. Out there. So, we will be able to measure how much sun we get. If we turn it away a little bit, and you can see it stops running. So it'll only measure what I could call usable sunlight. Sort of sunlight that makes my solar butterfly spin round. Should make my solar helicopter work as well. Yeah. So, nice and sunny at the moment. What we would do would be to set the hands back to 0, or back to 12 o'clock, and then just leave it running for the day.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.